Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore how to mute message sounds on WhatsApp web from your PC after the latest update. If you're looking for a quieter browsing experience, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening WhatsApp web on your computer. You can do this by typing web.whatsapp.com into your browser's address bar. Make sure you've linked your phone to the web version by scanning the QR code. Once you're in, look to the top left corner of your screen. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access various options. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the notifications option. This section allows you to control how WhatsApp interacts with you through notifications. Click on notifications to proceed. Finally, you're almost done. In the notifications menu, you'll see an option labeled Message Notifications. Here, you can easily disable the message sound alerts. Simply toggle the option off, and you'll no longer hear notification sounds for incoming messages on WhatsApp web. And that's it. You've successfully muted message sounds on WhatsApp web. No more interruptions while you're working or browsing the internet. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your quieter WhatsApp experience.